je vous en mourrai. Ma foi, je ne sais pas. Peut-être j'aimais, peut-être d'aimer, mais pas aujourd'hui, c'est certain. L'amour est un oiseau rebelle que nul ne peut apprivoiser, et c'est bien qu'on le pèle s'il lui convient de refuser. Rien ne fait mais nos prières lui parle bien le truster, et c'est l'autre que je préfère. Il n'a rien dit, mais il me plaît. L'amour, l'amour est un fou de bohème. Il n'a jamais connu des lois. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Si je t'aime, prends garde-toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Mais si je t'aime, si je t'aime, prends garde-toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Mais si je t'aime, si je t'aime, prends garde-toi. L'oiseau que tu croyais surprendre battait l'air s'envolant. L'amour et toi tu peux l'attendre, ton île, ton puits, il est là. Tourte, toi vite, vite, il y a ses vents, puis il revient. Tu crains l'éternel, il t'évite, tu crawles vite, il te tient. L'amour, l'amour est un fou de bohème. Il n'a jamais connu les lois. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Si je t'aime, prends garde-toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Mais si je t'aime, si je t'aime, prends garde-toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Mais si je t'aime, si je t'aime, prends garde-toi. Hello everyone and welcome to my Songbirds set. My name is Natasha Barbieri and I am a classical crossover mezzo-soprano from New York. I want to say a huge thank you to Robert for asking me to be part of this concert, and also for Wendy for doing all the incredible editing. So I hope you enjoyed. My first song was Habanero from Carmen. It is a love song. It's a little bit more cheeky, and it's just talking about how none of us can really control love, you know? If someone maybe doesn't love you, then you love them back. So love can be quite funny sometimes, and this song is just talking about that, you know, we can't control it. So that's where we're starting with, a bit of opera, and now we'll be moving on to some of my favorite old film music. So this next song is Something in the Wind. I thought I knew the scope, but this is wine that's much too strange and strong. I'm full of foolish song, and out my song will pour. So please forgive this helpless haze I'm in. I've really never been in love before. I've never been in love before. I thought my heart was safe. I thought I knew the score. I've never been in love before. Now all at once it's you, and you forevermore. Now this is wine that's much too strange and strong. I'm full of foolish song, and out that song will pour. So please forgive this helpless haze I'm in. I've really never been in love before. I used to dream that I would discover the perfect lover someday. I knew I'd recognize him if ever he came round my way. I always used to fancy then he'd be one of a godlike kind of men, with a giant brain and a noble head, like the heroes bold in the books I read. But along came Bill, who's not the type at all. You'd meet him on the street and never notice him. His form and face, his manly grace, are not the kind that you would find in a statue, and I can't explain. It's surely not his brain that makes me thrill. I love him because he's wonderful, because he's just my Bill. He can't play golf or tennis or polo or sing a solo or row. He isn't half as handsome as dozens of men that I know. He isn't tall and straight and slim, and he dresses for worse than Ted or Jim. And I can't believe that he should be just the one man in the world for me. thing that I can brag about, and yet to be upon his knee, so comfy and roomy, feels natural to me, and I can't explain. It's surely not his brain that makes me thrill. I love him because he's, I don't know, because he's just my Bill.
I love this song because, like the first one, it kind of shows that the person you fall in love with, you don't have any control over it. And they can be totally different than the type you had imagined, and completely wonderful.
Every show must have a song. Most everyone agrees. For what else could be ingenue and the juvenile reprise? And so I wrote a random note, a harmony for two, and when it came to add the words, I tried describing you, a very precious love is what you are to me. A stairway to a star at night in Shangri-La of ecstasy. Lanterns of gold, lanterns of blue, twinkle in the shadows while I dance with you. An echo in the wind across the summer lake is saying you should know that lanterns lose their glow and hearts can break. So hold me close, my darling, and kiss me tenderly, and give your precious love, your very precious love to me. A stairway to a star, a night in Shangri-La of ecstasy. Lanterns of gold, lanterns of blue, twinkle in the shadows while I dance with you. An echo in the wind across the summer lake is saying you should know that lanterns lose their glow and hearts can break. So hold me close, my darling, and kiss me tenderly, and give your precious love, your very precious love to me. There's a saying who says that love is blind. Still we're often told, seek and ye shall find. So I'm going to seek a certain lad I've had in mind. Looking everywhere, haven't found him yet. He's the big affair I cannot forget. Only man I ever think of with regret. I'd like to add his initials to my monogram. Tell me, where is the shepherd for this lost lamb? There's a somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that he turns out to be someone who'll watch over me. I'm a little lamb who's lost in the wood. I know I could always be good to one who watch over me. Although he may not be the man some girls think of as handsome, to my heart he carries the key. Won't you tell him, please, to put on some speed? Follow my lead. Oh, how I need someone who'll watch over me. Although he may not be the man some girls think of as handsome,
Thanks to everybody who has listened to my set today. Again, I want to thank Robert for the opportunity and Wendy for being incredible and editing this whole show together. I hope you will continue to enjoy the rest of the performances, and I have been given permission to let you know that Songbirds is combining with Classical Crossover Magazine, Classical Crossover Community, and Classical Crossover for You Radio to bring you a wonderful concert on March 28th. You can see the details right there on the screen. I hope that you will enjoy it. And instead of listing a PayPal link here, I'm going to list the Wounded Warriors charity. If you guys would like to make a donation, please just let me know and I will send you a free download of my single, A Place Called Home. Again, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your Valentine's Day.